We are Pangea Aerospace. We are space propulsion specialists. We design and manufacture engines from 1 Newton to the meganewton range for access to space, move into space, and also come back from space to Earth. Our aerospike engines are using green propellants and are, of course, reusable. We position ourselves as engine providers for the whole space industry, and our customers are launchers operators as well as satellite manufacturers. And today, we want to provide them with the most efficient and disruptive propulsion solution to drastically increase their profitability. Toulouse was quite an evident choice for the founders. First, our CEO spent some time in Toulouse while he was studying in Supaero. And of course, Toulouse is well known as the most famous European hub for aerospace industry. So it totally made sense to cross the Pyrenees from Barcelona to Toulouse to come and meet this huge ecosystem with very strong companies and also very important institutions like NES, of course. And today we are 6 people in Toulouse, and we want to make the team grow very quickly. There are a lot of very famous schools in Toulouse, which are training very talented students, and they will be very welcome to join the company in the very next months. And finally, Toulouse and more generally France show a strong interest in the propulsion systems and the reusability, which are the main key points for Pangea Aerospace. Even before we arrived in Toulouse, we knew we had made the right choice. We have received a wonderful support from a lot of local actors, which help us to identify and to focus on the very essential people for the success of our project. Of course, Invest in Toulouse was very involved from the very beginning of our journey and keeps on supporting us today. Business France, but also La Région with ad hoc, Aerospace Valley and the district where we are located supported us a lot and help us to integrate the ecosystem. We also find a financial support from the local office from BPI France in Toulouse, and they help us to fund our very first R&D activities here in Toulouse. We are delighted to announce that the ESA, the European Space Agency, has selected a project in which we are participating as responsible for the propulsion systems. This project aims to consolidate the building blocks for the future reusable European launcher. And for us, it will be the starting point for a lot of activities, especially here in Toulouse, focus on the reusability, of course, but also on the amazing capability of our engine to perform a passive re-entry in the atmosphere. This skill will allow any kind of stage of a launcher, whether it is the upper one or the first one, to become reusable. And the second news comes from the commercial side. Indeed, we have validated our business model, which is very disruptive as it is a pay-per-flight model, with a contract signed with TIRU. TIRU is a launcher operator which decided to trust us and to rely on us to design and manufacture their engine. And we have planned at least 50 flights by 2030.